In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Pinterest mobile reels. We'll walk through the entire process right on your phone so you can publish a reel-style pin quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Pinterest app and that your video or image is saved on your device. Vertical footage works best, and short, clear clips tend to perform well on mobile. Start by opening the Pinterest app on your phone. From the home screen, look for the Create option. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a Create button or a plus icon. Tap it to begin building your new pin. Next, choose Pin. This tells Pinterest you want to upload content rather than make a new board. You'll see an option to select media, so choose your image or video from your camera roll. If you're prompted for photo permissions, allow them so Pinterest can access your file. Pick the clip that best represents your idea and make sure it looks good in a vertical frame with important text or subjects centered. Once your media is selected, tap Next. This moves you into the details that help your reel get discovered and understood by viewers. Add a strong title, a clear description, and a relevant link. Your title should explain what the reel is about in a few words. The description can add context, include keywords people might search for, and guide viewers on what to do next. If you have a web page, product page, or blog post that supports the reel, paste the link here so people can learn more. Keep everything concise, helpful, and accurate. Now, pick a board to keep your pin organized. Choose the board that best matches your topic, or create a new one if needed. You can also tag topics to help Pinterest categorize your content and reach the right audience. If your reel features items viewers can buy, use product tags where available so people can quickly find what you showcased. Before publishing, open Advanced Settings. This area may include options like turning comments on or off and adding alt text. Alt text provides a short written description of your video or image for accessibility, which is great for inclusivity and search clarity. When everything looks good, tap Create. Your reel style pin will upload and go live. After posting, check how it appears on your profile, make sure the link works, and watch the first few seconds to confirm the framing is clean. Keep your future reels consistent in style, stay focused on value, and you'll build momentum fast.